Okay, on this video I'm going to teach you on how to put pending orders or to set pending orders. If you have that anxiety of fearing to enter the market, mostly on gold, so if you have that fear of entering trades manually, so here you open your trading view, then after you can go to the chart. Let's just wait. Okay, as you see here the chart, so like after analyzing your market, everything, so then you want, like, you don't want to enter it manually, because mostly on gold, gold is volatile. Sometimes whenever the market reaches on your POI, so this is what you do. If you're after analyzing everything, you can see the short position here, you long press on it. So as you see here, it's showing short position, input style, visibility, as you see. So then here you can see account size, lot size, blah blah. Then you can now, okay, this is how you can enter. You can see your entry price, then you see your profit level, stop loss level. So before I show you, let me first take you through this. Like inputs, you can see, then the style, you can see stop color, target color. So target color means the TP, how you want the short position to look like the TP. The color, as mine, as you have seen, mine is somehow white, then the stop color is somehow blue, so you can see it. So in visibility, let's check visibilities. I don't know much about visibility, so that's how it is. I've never changed anything, so that's how it is. So let's come back to inputs. Inputs here, you can find the entry level. So here in the entry price, like entry price, you can copy from here. You copy out, like you copy. After copying, you come to take profit level, you copy. You come to stop level, you copy price. You see, just the same, just copy from here, because here you see stop level, you copy. Take profit, like profit level, you copy the price also. Then you come here, entry price, you copy. Only there is the one that remains entry price. So after, you go to your MT5. So even MT4 you can use, but for me, I usually prefer this one. So MT5, you click on it, you open. So as you see, I've already placed. So maybe let's do it like, you come, you pick, you press on this icon up here. Just put, as it's showing, like it's showing a pending order, you just press on that icon, it shows you a pending order. You put it where you want it to be. Like me, as you see here, I've placed some of the things, so you put it either here, as long as, like here I was having a sale, so you pull this up, then you can put like your entry price, you put here. After putting the entry price, you add stop loss, you put even the stop loss price. After putting, you put even the TP price, everything. Then now you can put what? You can now place your sell limits. You just press there, you just tap on there, it will just automatically put. So yeah, that's what you guys are seeing from there. So that's what the video is all about. As you see, everything, after you pressing it all, you can even check here. You come to this pencil. If you want to change anything, you come to this pencil, you press on this pencil, so you can see there price entry. That's the price entry. You can even put it like this. Whenever, like, if you are after putting everything, you can come and check on it here. You can even, you see, entry price, stop loss. Then here you can see also TP price also. So that's it, guys. So any video, if you want anything concerning trading, you can send it, like you can write in the comment section what I should make. Thank you, all of you. As long as you watch this video until this end, thank you so much, and share to your friends, share to all your friends, even any person that's interested in trading, and subscribe to the channel to make me also grow, so that I can also continue producing more videos for you guys. Thank you. Maybe the next video I might give you guys maybe on how the market, like the trend of the market. That's it. So Thank you guys for reaching out until this. As you can see, the same very thing, you can see my stop loss above, then my entry price, then my take profit. As you can see, that's it. So thank you guys, see you in the next video.